In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chats and projects in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can keep your workspace tidy and focused on what matters. First, open ChatGPT and look to the left sidebar. This is your command center for everything related to your projects. Find the project that contains the chat you want to remove and select it. Taking a moment to choose the correct project is important, especially if you manage several. It ensures you're working in the right place and won't accidentally remove the wrong conversation. Once the project opens, look for the section labeled Chats. This is where all the conversations associated with that specific project are listed. You'll see your chats displayed there, often with titles or snippets that help you identify them. If you're unsure which one to delete, glance at the titles, recent timestamps, or any hints in the preview text to confirm you found the right thread. Next, move your cursor to hover over the chat you want to delete. As you hover, a small three-dot icon will appear next to that chat. This icon opens a quick action menu designed for tasks like managing or removing individual conversations. Go ahead and click the three-dot icon to bring up the menu. From the menu, click Delete. This action removes the selected chat from the project's chat list. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to double-check that you've chosen the intended conversation, since deleting a chat is a cleanup action you'll want to be sure about. Once you click Delete, the chat disappears from the project, helping you keep your list streamlined and relevant. If you have multiple chats to remove, simply repeat the same process. Select the project from the left sidebar, locate the chat under the chat section, hover to reveal the three dots, open the menu, and choose Delete. Working methodically like this can make routine housekeeping quick and stress-free. That's all there is to it. Selecting the correct project, locating the conversation under chats, hovering to reveal the options, and choosing Delete gives you a clean, organized view of your work. Keeping your chats curated helps you and your team stay focused, reduces clutter, and makes it easier to find the conversations that truly matter. Thanks for watching, and feel free to use these steps anytime you need to tidy up your project's chat list.